The age-old adage, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, suggests that living a healthy lifestyle is the key to a long and prosperous life. However, in reality, many people who indulge in unhealthy habits and neglect their well-being seem to live longer than those who follow a strict regimen of diet and exercise. This phenomenon has left many of us scratching our heads, wondering if there's more to longevity than just a healthy lifestyle. One possible explanation for this paradox is genetics. While it's true that a healthy lifestyle can increase one's chances of living a long life, genetics play a significant role in determining an individual's lifespan. Research has shown that certain genetic traits can predispose people to live longer, regardless of their lifestyle choices. Take, for example, the case of Jeanne Calment, a French woman who lived to the ripe age of 122. Despite smoking cigarettes for most of her life, Calment's genetic makeup allowed her to defy the odds and live an exceptionally long life. Her case is not an isolated one. Many centenarians, people who live to be 100 or older, have been found to have genetic variants that promote longevity. One such variant is the APOE gene, which is associated with increased longevity. People who carry this gene are more likely to live into their 90s and beyond, even if they engage in unhealthy behaviors. Another genetic variant, the FOXO3 gene, has been linked to exceptional longevity and is found in high frequencies among centenarians. But genetics is not the only factor at play. Another reason why people with unhealthy lifestyles may live longer is due to their ability to cope with stress. Chronic stress can have a devastating impact on our health, leading to conditions like hypertension, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. However, some people are naturally more resilient to stress, and this resilience can help them live longer. Research has shown that people who are more optimistic, have a stronger sense of purpose, and are more socially connected tend to live longer than those who are pessimistic, lack direction, and are socially isolated. Additionally, people who engage in unhealthy behaviors may be more likely to seek medical attention when they need it. For example, someone who smokes heavily may be more likely to visit their doctor regularly to monitor their health, which can lead to early detection and treatment of any health problems that may arise. Another factor to consider is the concept of health span versus lifespan. While lifespan refers to the number of years we live, health span refers to the number of years we live in good health. It's possible for someone to live a long life, but spend many of those years in poor health, while someone who lives a shorter life may remain healthy and active until the end. This distinction is important because it highlights the fact that living a long life is not necessarily the same as living a healthy life. Someone who engages in unhealthy behaviors may live a long life, but they may also spend many years struggling with chronic health problems. On the other hand, someone who lives a healthy lifestyle may not live as long, but they may remain healthy and active until the end of their life. Finally, it's worth noting that the relationship between lifestyle and longevity is complex and influenced by many factors. While a healthy lifestyle can increase one's chances of living a long life, it's not a guarantee. Similarly, engaging in unhealthy behaviors does not necessarily mean that someone will die young. In conclusion, the phenomenon of people with unhealthy lifestyles living longer than those who live a disciplined life is a complex one, influenced by a variety of factors including genetics, stress resilience, access to medical care, and the distinction between health span and lifespan. While living a healthy lifestyle is still the best way to increase one's chances of living a long and healthy life, it's clear that there's more to longevity than just diet and exercise. Ultimately, the key to a long and healthy life may lie in finding a balance between living a healthy lifestyle and cultivating positive psychological traits like optimism, purpose, and social connection. By combining these factors, we may be able to increase our chances of living a long and healthy life, regardless of our genetic makeup. It's also important to recognize that longevity is not just about living a long life, but also about living a life that is rich in experience, connection, and purpose. By focusing on these aspects of life, we may be able to find a sense of fulfillment and happiness, even if we don't live to be 100. In the end, the relationship between lifestyle and longevity is a mysterious one. influenced by a complex interplay of genetic, environmental, and psychological factors. While we may not be able to fully understand the secrets of longevity, by living a healthy lifestyle, cultivating positive psychological traits, and finding a sense of purpose and connection, we may be able to increase our chances of living a long and healthy life.